Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix bad image MSVCP140.dll is either not designed to run on Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with run. The moment you click on it, the small window called Run will appear. Where here you need to type for appwiz.cpl. Again, it is appwiz.cpl. Click on OK once you have typed it and wait until a new window called Programs and Features will appear. Okay, once it is here, you need to look for your Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistributable. Okay, here's the catch. You need to click on uninstall and uninstall it for the meantime since you are getting an error from this one. Okay, just have to click on uninstall. In my case, I won't be uninstalling such since my recording will be interrupted. Okay, I'm using a recorder now and it will be interrupted if uninstall this. Okay, in your case you have to uninstall that. And also my Microsoft Visual C++ is working fine and I'm not getting an error. Okay, just have to click on uninstall, and once you have done installed it, you need to close this window and let's proceed to our next step. Okay, so our next step will be we need to bring up any of the browser that is present in your computer. So it could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, okay, or Mozilla Firefox, or whatever browser that is available for you. Okay, just have to expand it. Once you have opened it, expand it, and then in my case, I am using the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so here the search bar, you need to use the search and you need to type for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable space latest. Once you have typed that, you need to click on enter to proceed. And you would be redirected to the list of results, where here you need to proceed on the first link under the Microsoft.com website, which contains latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads. Just have to click on it. Okay, and you would be redirected to the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported downloads. Just have to scroll down, okay, and look for this table which contains the architecture and the link of a specific architecture that you would be able to download. Now, before proceeding on the downloading of this Microsoft Visual C++, you need to identify first what version do you have in your Windows, or what system type do you have in your Windows. How can you check if what system do you have? Just have to use the search bar here, and the moment you have to click on it, you need to type for info and wait until the system information will appear. Here you need to click on open. The moment you click on it, the system information itself window will appear. Here you need to look for system type, and here you would be able to see what value or what processor do you have in your Windows. In my case, I have a Time 64 based PC. Then you need to go with a architecture which is under x64 in my case. Okay, just have to identify what system type do you have, and once you have find it, you need to proceed on selecting such. Okay, and since I have this x64 processor, that's why I'm going with this. Okay, but if you have an x86, then go with the second, and if you have an ARM 64, then go with the first. Just have to click this link and you would be able to download such. In my case, I won't be able to proceed since I have already it installed in my Windows. Okay, but in your case, you have to click such since you have uninstalled it in our first step. Okay, so just have to click on it and wait until it is being downloaded. And once it is being downloaded, install that in your Windows. And once you have installed that, you need to click the start icon, click on it, and click this power icon. and you need to restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to make any changes on the actions that we have just performed here in this video. Okay. So that's it. Once you have restarted it, it will be fixed. Okay. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.